The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a slimmer and lighter design, making it more comfortable to hold. With rounded corners and a reduced thickness of 8.2 millimeters, it offers a sleek and ergonomic grip, enhancing user experience while maintaining its robust titanium frame. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform, the Galaxy S25 Ultra delivers a 40% faster NPU, enabling advanced AI capabilities. From natural language processing to content-aware suggestions, this device enhances multitasking and personalizes user interactions like never before. Capture stunning landscapes with the new 50-meg ultrawide camera on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Equipped with next-gen AI Pro Visual Engine, it enhances image quality and offers 10-bit HDR video recording by default, setting a new standard for mobile photography. The integration of AI through Google's Gemini enhances the device's functionality, offering intelligent features like smart photo recognition, automatic image optimization, and AI-powered content creation. The Pixel 9 Pro XL stands out with its advanced camera system, featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and 5x optical zoom. This powerful combination, along with 8K video recording, makes it. The Pixel 9 Pro XL also impresses with its ultra-bright display, reaching 2700 nits of brightness, providing sharp and vivid visuals even under. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra versus Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts an impressive 6.9 inches display, offering a stunning 92% screen-to-body ratio, perfect for immersive viewing. In contrast, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL features a slightly smaller 6.8 inches display with an 88% screen-to-body ratio. Both screens are vibrant, but the S25 Ultra takes the edge for size. When it comes to photography, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra shines with a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel main camera, ensuring unparalleled detail and clarity. Meanwhile, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL offers a robust 50-megapixel camera that excels in color accuracy and low-light performance. The S25 Ultra is the king of resolution. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra offers a range of memory options, including a massive 1TB variant paired with 16GB RAM, making it a powerhouse for multitasking. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL also offers solid options, maxing out at 1TB with 16GB RAM. However, the S25 Ultra provides more flexibility with its configurations. The resolution game is on. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra features a stunning 440 by 3120 pixels, giving it a pixel density of 498 ppi. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL follows closely with 344 by 2992 pixels and 486 ppi. Both displays are sharp, but the S25 Ultra takes the lead in clarity. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the cutting-edge Qualcomm SM8750AB Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, ensuring lightning-fast performance. On the other hand, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL runs on Google's Tensor G4, optimized for AI tasks. The S25 Ultra is built for speed. In the battle of battery life, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra packs a 5000 mAh battery, while the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL offers a slightly larger 5060 mAh. Both promise all-day usage, but the S25 Ultra's efficiency is designed to maximize performance. For selfies, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra features a 12-megapixel front camera, providing decent quality for social media. In contrast, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL ups the ante with a 42-megapixel ultra-wide selfie camera, allowing for stunning group shots. Clearly, the Pixel wins the selfie game. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a premium build with a titanium frame and Gorilla Armor glass, ensuring durability and style. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, with its Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and aluminum frame, is also robust but lacks the titanium touch. The S25 Ultra is a step above in build quality. Both phones come with IP68 rating, making them resistant to dust and water. However, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra adds the bonus of a stylus, enhancing its functionality. The Pixel is tough, but the S25 Ultra offers more versatility. With the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is designed for high-performance gaming and multitasking. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL's Google Tensor G4 is optimized for AI and machine learning tasks. For raw power, the S25 Ultra is the clear choice. Samsung's S25 Ultra comes with an ultra-strong titanium display and ProScaler technology, enhancing visual quality. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL features an always-on display, but lacks the advanced features of the S25 Ultra. Here, the Samsung shines brighter. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra can shoot stunning 8K video at 2430 FPS, alongside 4K and 1080p options, making it a video powerhouse. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL also offers 8K recording but at 30 FPS with impressive stabilization. The S25 Ultra is the ultimate choice for videographers. Samsung's S25 Ultra is loaded with features like AI Google Gemini, ultra-wideband support, and Samsung DeX, making it a versatile device. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL includes AI Gemini Assistant and satellite SOS service, but the S25 Ultra's array of features is unmatched. In terms of pricing, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra starts at $1,300, while the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is more affordable at around $1,099. While the Pixel is budget-friendly, the S25 Ultra justifies its price with superior specs. In this showdown, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra emerges as the powerhouse with its exceptional camera, display, and features, while the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL remains a strong contender with its incredible software and camera capabilities. The choice ultimately depends on what you value most in a smartphone.